Welcome to 6 Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see integration by substitution rule. Okay. Now, let us see first question. Integration of 2x times by square root of 1 plus x squared dx. How to integrate? We know integration of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Here you cannot multiply also. 2x times square root of 1 plus x squared. You cannot multiply also. 1 plus x squared, if you make it power of, it is expansion, it will go. For example, integration of x squared, x cube plus 2 dx. In this case, you can expand. For example, x power 5 plus 2x squared dx. Then you can integrate x power 6 over 6 plus 2x cube over 3. But here you cannot expand. You cannot expand. Okay. So how to do it? One thing you have to notice, there are two parts. One is 2x, another is 1 plus x squared part. Okay. In that part, which one, if you integrate, if you differentiate, another part is coming, that part you consider as u. Now you see 1 plus x squared, if you differentiate, it will come 2x. Okay. So u is equal to 1 plus x squared. Very simple. So what is du? Differentiate with respect to x, du by dx. It is 2x. Okay. Then du is equal to 2x dx. Compare it, this part and this part, it has come. So now we are going to rearrange this one. Instead of x, we are going to substitute u. 2x dx is equal to du. Okay. Then square root of 1 plus x squared. 1 plus x squared is u. So square root of u du. Got it? Okay. Now it is very simple to integrate. What is meant by square root of u? U power of du. U power of, you can integrate u power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 plus c. That means 2 over 3 u power 3 by 2 plus c. You can leave it? No. They asked as x only. So answer is 2 over 3. You substitute, you replace u with 1 plus x squared power 3 by 2 plus c. Copy it down. Just I put u equal to 1 plus x squared, then du by dx. If you differentiate to 1 plus x squared, it is 2x. Then I rearrange, du I keep 2x times dx. Okay. Then see the look at the question. 2x dx. Instead of 2x dx, I put du. Square root of 1 plus x squared, I put square root of u, because 1 plus x squared is u. So now integration of root u du. Now you see there is no x inside. Okay, everything u only. Then u power of du. U power of, if you integrate, u power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2. Then 3 by 2, if you bring it to the numerator, it is a 2 over 3, u power 3 by 2 plus c. You replace u with 1 plus x squared. 2 over 3, 1 plus x squared over 3 by 2 plus c. Okay. Second question. Integration of x cube cos x power 4 plus 2 dx. Okay. How to do it? You see it is two functions. One is x algebra, another is trigonometry. But have you noticed integration of x power 4 is there and x cube is there. So I told you already, if in one part some functions, if you differentiate, if the second part has come, then that part you consider as u. In most of the questions they are giving what is u also, but we have to decide in some examinations. Okay, now u equal to x power 4 plus 2. Okay. Now what is differentiate du by dx? What will come? 4x cube, right? du is equal to 4x cube dx. What is then? X is cube and dx only there. Okay, so now du by 4 is equal to x cube dx. Got it? Okay, now I am rewriting. Actually it is nothing but cos x power 4 plus 2 x cube dx. Instead of x cube dx, I am going to put du by 4. Du by 4, I can take it 1 over 4 here, right? Then cos x power 4 plus 2 is cos u. So 1 over 4 cos u du. Notice there is no x. We completely replaced in this function only u. Now integration of cos u du. What is integration of cos u? Is sin u. Sin u. What is u? U is equal to x power 4. Sin u plus c. Sin x power 4 plus 2 plus c. But have you noticed one thing? 1 over 4 you have to put it. 1 over 4. Because we integrated cos u only. 1 over 4 sin x power 4 plus 2 plus c. Please copy it. Okay, I'm clearing. Question number 3. Integration of x over square root of 1 minus 4x squared dx. Okay, how to integrate it? It is different things how to integrate. Okay, how to do it? You notice there are two sets, two functions. Okay, here if you differentiate 4x squared, if you differentiate, it will be 8x will come. So what we can do? There x is there, so we can little rearrange. U is equal to 1 minus 4x squared. Okay, du by dx is minus 8x. So d is equal to minus 8x dx. So here x dx only there. So x dx is equal to minus 1 over 8 du. Got it? Okay. Now I am integrating. X dx is minus 1 over 8 du. What is square root of 1 minus 4x squared? It is square root of u. So if you bring it up, what will happen? U power minus of du. U power minus of, if you integrate, it will be u power plus of divided by of, it is of minus minus 1 over 8 plus c. You do it minus 2 by 4 8 u power of plus c. So if you do it, what will come? Minus 2 by 8, if you simplify, minus 1 by 4 square root of u is 1 minus 4x squared 4x square plus c. Copy it. U equal to 1 minus 4x square, du by dx is minus 8x. That is nothing but minus 4 times 2x. So minus 8x. Du equal to minus 8x dx. We want only, here only x dx is there. So x dx will be, this minus 8 will come here, minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8 du by root u. Root u, if you bring it numerator, it is u power minus of du. So minus 1 over 8 u power of over of. So it will become 2 over 8 minus 2 over 8 u power of plus c minus 1 over 4 root of 1 minus 4x square plus c. Thank you for watching my videos. Keep on watching. I am posting more integration by substitution rules.